I'm going to guide you on how to create a Gmail account without phone number. If you find this useful, please consider to subscribe and to like the video. Now let's begin. Now the first step you need to do is to launch your Gmail app. Then it will land you here. Now in order to create a Gmail account without phone number, you are going to tap on the profile icon on your top right corner. Then you will scroll down. Then at the bottom there, you are going to see add another account. So tap on it. Then under setup email, you are going to tap on Google. Then enter your phone password. Then it will land you on this interface. So you are going to tap on create account. Then for my personal use. Then you can enter the first name and the last name, which is optional. So I'm going to enter the first name here. Then tap on next after you have entered that. Then enter your birthday and gender. So I'm going to enter my birthday here. Then you can enter gender. Then tap on next after you have entered that. Then you can choose your Gmail address. So you can pick Gmail address or create your own. So I'm going to create my own Gmail address here. I'll select on that. Then I'm going to create the Gmail address. Then tap on next. So I can see that this username has been taken. So I'm going to add a 0 here. Then let me try this one by tapping on next. So that username is good. So you are going to create a strong password. So ensure that you mix letters, numbers, and also symbols. So I'm going to do that. Then after you have created your password, just tap on next. Then review your account. So this is how your account will appear. You can use this email address to sign in later. So I'm going to tap on next. Then scroll down. Then tap on I agree. So as you can see, this last part always take long, and if it still hangs on this part, you are just going to close it and then you will open it and you will find that your new account has been created. So as you can see, something went wrong. But if I now close this one and then I clear cache, then I open my Gmail, then tap on my profile icon on your top right corner. Then now if I scroll down, I'm going to see the new account that I've just created here, Plantech990 at Gmail. So you can see the account is here, a newly created account. So that's simply it. You have seen that I've created this account without being asked for phone number. So ensure that when you are creating an account, you use your phone. Do not use your computer. If you use your computer, they are going to ask you to enter your phone number. So I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider to leave a like and also to subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Have a nice time.